What's up, YouTube? You know who it is. It is Tim, coming to you all the way from the Philippines in Palawan, El Nido. Mabuhay to all my Filipino followers who are watching this video. Salamat po. Alright, so here I am. Let's check out the beach behind me. Look how beautiful it is. Actually, you don't need to see me. You want to see this beach. Check this out. Look at how beautiful this is. Wow, that is beautiful. Isn't that? So I have been in the Philippines for almost 3 weeks. Yeah, that's right, 3 weeks. And guess what? I'm not coming back yet. I'm probably gonna be here another couple days. And yes, it is already into Q4. You may be saying, Tim, it's Q4. You're a big Amazon seller. You have an 8-figure Amazon business. What are you doing on vacation? Guys, why do we get into this business? Isn't it for some time freedom and to go do and enjoy things we love, right? I don't have a business like many Amazon sellers, which we like to refer to as the golden handcuffs. All right, the golden handcuffs are, yeah, you have an ATM of a business, but you're handcuffed to it. You can't go anywhere. If you find yourself in that type of Amazon business, check out the video. I'm gonna put a link to it up in this corner real quick. And in that video, I talk about my team, how I've set up my business so that I can leave for 3 weeks at a time at the beginning of Q4, all while having an 8-figure a year Amazon business running smooth, right? See how I've done that? It's because I have an amazing team who takes care of everything, 90% of it, especially when I'm gone, like times like these, okay? So, what about for you new Amazon sellers? Why should you pay attention to this video? Well, I'll tell you why. You may think like, Tim, I would love to be on that island. And I'm gonna tell you right now, you can be. I started out with 0 products just like you. And then I had 1 product, then I had 2, then I had 3. I stayed consistent, I kept with it, till now I have over 120 products. And I keep selling. And I keep helping other people to continue to launch new products too. And you know what? You too can be on an island like this one day if you take the leap, start getting to Amazon, start learning how to sell, and then delegating it out to other people to help you run your business. It's not that far off of a thought. You could do this probably in under a year if you are committed to it. Now, remember, this is the final video in the series that can give you eligibility to the free Private Label Masters course. In order to win a free Private Label Masters course, you had to like the past 2 videos, leave a comment, and also like this video, and I'm gonna tell you what comment to leave. The comment you need to leave is actually a question. If you could go anywhere for 3 weeks, you had to pick one place, where would it be? I chose Palawan in the Philippines, El Nido. That's where I chose to be. Where would you choose? Leave that in the comments below. And then let's go about making that a reality. So yesterday I went into town. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of footage of that. Where I went into town, it was so funny. The shuttle that I rode in, 20 minutes, right? I go to ride the shuttle back to the resort, and guess what? They said the shuttle's closed and the brakes weren't working. I'm like, how am I supposed to get back? So we jumped in a tricycle. Let me show you a little video of that right here. And that's how we got back. So quite the experience. Anyways, I want to show you guys a little bit of the resort that I'm staying at. I'll walk over here real quick. just take me a second. Check it out. What do you need when on vacation? I'll show you right here. Yeah, a solid book. All right, so I brought this book to read, Influence, Psychology of Persuasion. Put that down here, right here. I'm coming back to you to read you. All right, let's check out the resort that I'm staying at. Next thing you know, we're on the beach. So anyways, guys, you Amazon sellers, don't be having those golden handcuffs. And you new Amazon sellers, get in the game. Start with one product, 2, 3, 4, 5 next time. Next thing you notice, you'll be here in that location that you put in the comments below with a great team behind you, helping you manage your Amazon business, doing the things you want to do when you want to do them with the people you want to do them with. All right. Anyways, you guys take care. I'll see you guys in the next video where I will announce who the winner of the free Private Label Masters course is. All right. See you guys later.